The Prime Minister has now reached Rashtrapati Bhavan is what we're learning. So the Prime Minister has reached the Rashtrapati Bhavan, is going to be meeting the President. Now remember, there's a lot that is being looked at from the perspective of a government formation. The oath, remember, will be taken in all likelihood on the Saturday, which is the 8th is what we're learning. But a lot of focus is also on what takes place before that. The NDA Legislative Party meeting also to take place at 2 p.m. is what we're learning. But with the PM reaching Rashtrapati Bhavan, let me take in a word from Arun Bhanta on what we expect next. Arun, over to you. Tell us more.
Well, that's right. We just saw Prime Minister Modi reaching Rashtrapati Bhavan, and this happened after the cabinet recommends the dissolution of 17th Lok Sabha, which is of course a procedure. Now Prime Minister Modi has reached Rashtrapati Bhavan. His government of course will resign, and then the process of the formation of next government will take place. So of course today evening there is a meeting. Once there is a resignation of the entire cabinet, entire government of the 17th Lok Sabha, then you will have the 18th Lok Sabha in place, and of course Rashtrapati will get all the winning MPs list from the election commission. Then of course she will start the procedure for it. As far as the BJP is concerned, they have NDA leaders meeting today at 4 o'clock at Prime Minister Modi's residence. And before this, of course, the last cabinet meeting, the last Council of Ministers meeting had happened. It has concluded. All the ministers had left the Prime Minister Modi's residence, and in that meeting the recommendation of the dissolution happened, and now you see Prime Minister Modi reaching President House. So in the evening today, as all the NDA leaders have reached Delhi, they will be meeting Prime Minister Modi, and of course then the future of the NDA government, that how it will look like, will be decided. We are also told that on 7th there will be a meeting of all NDA MPs, which will happen in the central house of the Parliament. So of course all the procedures before new government takes place is going through at this moment, and that is the reason why you're seeing Prime Minister Modi going to Rashtrapati Bhavan before the meeting of the NDA. And of course the NDA's crucial meeting, which is going to take place today evening at Prime Minister Modi's residence, that is something which is very important, because in that meeting everyone will of course show that support for Prime Minister Modi. And then of course when on 7th that all winning MPs of NDA will come and meet, then probably we'll see that the new NDA government will come into the fore.
Okay, so Union Cabinet recommending dissolution of the 17th Lok Sabha, following which the Prime Minister has now reached Rashtrapati Bhavan. Arun, many thanks for that. Remember, a key NDA meeting to take place on the 7th as well. The NDA Chief Ministers and Deputy Chief Ministers will be in attendance in another meet, but there are 2 days still between today and the 7th when the NDA meets for the first time after the mandate yesterday. It's a developing scenario, so we're keeping our eyes out on what really is transpiring in both the camps. We head into a very quick break for now. Lots more lined up on the other side as promised. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.